Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? Today we'll be doing some English general work, so kindly open up your Junior English 2 book so that we can get started with the second comprehension. Okay, today the date is 14th of September 2020 and the day is Monday. We will be doing the second comprehension that is titled as The Fox and the Goat. This comprehension contains a story which is regarding the fox and the goat. Okay, it means that we will be reading it out, we'll be thinking about it, we'll be comprehending whatever is there in the passage, and then we'll be answering the given questions. Okay, I must tell you beforehand that question number 1, 4 and 5 will be excluded, will not be involved, will not be done in our comprehension for class 2. Okay, we'll be doing question number 2, 3, 6, 7 and 8 for this comprehension so that you can understand and you can answer them very correctly. Let's get started. Today we'll be doing the reading and in the next class inshallah we'll be doing the question and answers. So let's get started with the reading. While reaching down to drink the water in a well one day, a fox fell in. Now the writer is trying to tell us that there is a fox who is trying to reach down into the well to drink water. Okay, try as he would, he could not get out again because the walls of the well were too high. Now the writer is saying that the fox fell into the water and he could not get out. As he tried very hard to get out of the well. He jumped up the wall and did everything, but everything was useless, was in vain. Okay. Not long after, a goat came along. Seeing the fox there, he asked him the reason why. Now the second character of the story is the goat. The goat came and he asked the fox that why are you in the well? Why are you down? Okay. Now I'll be explaining in Urdu so that it is easier for you. अच्छा, यहाँ पे जो लिखने वाला है वो ये बोल रहा है कि इस स्टोरी में 2 कैरेक्टर्स हैं, एक गोट है और एक फॉक्स है. फॉक्स जो है वो पानी पीने जाता है और वो कुएं में गिर जाता है और वो बाहर नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि जो कुएं की जो दीवारें हैं वो बहुत ऊंची हैं. और उसके बाद गोट आती है और गोट कहती है कि वाई आप क्यों अंदर हैं, ठीक है, आप इस वेल के अंदर क्यों हैं. वो वजह जानना चाह रही है कि फॉक्स क्यों वेल के अंदर है. नाउ आई बी कंटिन्यूइंग इन इंग्लिश. आई एम एन्जॉइंग द कूल प्योर वाटर, रिप्लाइड द फॉक्स. Wouldn't you like to jump down and taste it? Now the fox is tempting the goat that I am inside because I want to enjoy the cool and pure water. I want to relax myself. I want to calm myself. So I have jumped inside the well and I am tasting the pure and the sweet water which is inside the well. Without stopping to think, the foolish goat jumped down. Now the goat is not thinking. The goat went onto the wall and went into the well and he jumped into the well. Okay, no sooner had he reached the bottom than the cunning old fox leaped on his back and scrambled to the top. As soon as the goat fell into the well, the box as soon as the goat fell into the well, the fox didn't think of anything else. As he was coming down, the fox went on top. Okay, he jumped on top of the goat and then he went outside. He scrambled to the top. Scramble means you like this. Can you see my hand? Okay, to walk quickly, I would say. Looking down at the unhappy goat, the fox laughed and said, "Next time, dear friend goat, be sure to look before you leap." There is a famous saying known as "look before you leap." It means you need to have a look. You need to inquire more before you get into something. Okay, this is a famous saying of current times. So now the goat is unhappy because he is tricked by the fox, and the fox is happy because he is out of the well. He can go freely wherever he wants to. Now I'll be explaining it in Urdu that जब गोट ने पूछा कि जो है वो क्या रीज़न है, क्या वजह है कि आप अंदर हो, वाई द फॉक्स इज़ इनसाइड, क्यों आप अंदर हो। तो वहाँ पे फॉक्स ने बहुत कनिंगली, बहुत चालाकी से जवाब दिया कि मैं तो नीचे आराम से अपना जो है वो वाटर को एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ। ठीक है। अच्छा, अब गोट ने एक लम्हे के लिए भी नहीं सोचा कि यार ऐसे कैसे पॉसिबल है कि एक वेल के अंदर फॉक्स जो है वो एंजॉय कर रहा है। इंस्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग उसने जो है वो जल्दी से छलांग लगा दी वेल के अंदर। ठीक है। और जैसे ही वो यहाँ पे छलांग लगा ही रहा था, गोट ने छलांग लगाई ही थी कि फॉक्स उसके ऊपर चढ़ के उसके ऊपर से क्रॉल करता हुआ वहाँ टॉप पे पहुँच गया। और फिर फॉक्स ने जब नीचे देखा तो द गोट वॉज नॉट हैप्पी, तो गोट जो है वो खुश नहीं था। तो फॉक्स को गोट ने कहा, गोट को फॉक्स ने कहा कि आप नेक्स्ट टाइम जो है जब आप किसी को जब कोई ऐसा फ़ैसला ले रहे हो तो पहले चीज़ों को ऑब्ज़र्व किया करो, पहले सोचा करो। ठीक है, देखो और फिर करो। ठीक है। तो दिस इज़ द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस टॉपिक। इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज यू कैन आस्क मी। Okay, probably this would be easier for you. Kindly make sure that you make your child listen to this story so that he or she may know the English version as well as the Urdu version. Okay, the understanding of this topic is necessary because next time I'll be doing the question and answers, so that it would be easier for you to do the comprehension. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.